Alright folks, welcome back to my channel, and Crypto Bull asked me to fill in today. He is kinda like under the weather, so um, I'll be talking about HeartNumber App and how you can win in even a bear season, right? So, as I'm the crypto bear, I know all about it. Alright, so I'll be showing you how to use the HeartNumber app and how to place orders using the section order and how to track it, and I'll show you the results as well. So let's get to it then. All right.
Alright folks, so let's take a look at the HeartNumber app and see how it works
So
and how you
you
can
should
place a
listen to
section
this guy,
order,
all right? He's right. On
to
this
make it
side.
easier.
Watch the screen.
So
All
I
right.
clicked on the market at the bottom, the first one on the left, the second one on the left, and I can see different markets. I'm on Binance Market. You can also select Bithumb or Upbit, but because I have some money on Binance, I'll be going with that. So you can use BNB markets, BTC, or Ethereum or USDT markets. So let's go to let's see, USDT market first, and go to Bitcoin USDT. It's the easiest one. And you have different tabs here. You have the chart, easy, that's the easiest part, standard, advanced, or manual. On manual, you can do manual trading. So you can buy and sell on limit or market, but I'll be touching that later. And easy is easy. There are different tabs here also. Prediction, you can just make a prediction, or section order, or auto order. Since we're gonna focus on section order today, I'll be just showing you that so you can use different percentages for section order, or I think if you go to standard, I can show you the options. Easy is just easy. You choose a percentage of this is the percentage of different orders for the HeartNumber app to place. So it's the easiest part. You can change this. So if you want to get like a different a higher volatility for your Bitcoin or whatever your favorite cryptocurrency, you can just place it here, and then you can play with it, and you can even actually play with percentages here, or you can go like this. But I'm gonna click on standard now, and select section order. You can also select the other options, but we're gonna show them later. And you can select the maximum deviation. So this is like a standard deviation, but it's gonna use 8% as the maximum deviation from the current price, right? So you can increase this, or you can make it auto. So auto is kind of easier, but you can set it up to any percent you like. So if you bring it to user, you can set it up any way you like. So the auto is going to calculate the deviation for that day and give you a nice deviation. The amount of order, the minimum is $20. So if you want to just risk $20 for trading, or use $20 for trading, that's fine. Or you can use, I have about $200 USDT on there now. You can use 10%, 50%, or 100% of your money. And so the count of selling is, you can change it here with the numbers, or you can just use the slider. And then if you bring it to 1, it's just gonna use the $20 to buy and sell and things like that. But if you slide it upwards, like use 2, it's gonna use $40. So let's leave it at $40. And you can also select stop by rise and stop by fall. So this is like stop loss. So it kind of stops at those prices. And all you have to do is click on start at the bottom, right? So so as you see on the left side here, order is 0, so I didn't actually place any order. So I use the same settings, and then I click start. It says checking the validation, processing, start. And would you like to start a section order? It gives you some warning saying that does not guarantee profit, of course. An order keeps until 30 days, and if it's overdue, you can delete auto order, which cancels the bids and placed asks with a market order. So if you already purchased some Bitcoin using this and you want to cancel it, it's going to sell it at the market price. If you don't have anything, you can just go ahead and delete it. If you choose the delete order with orders before finishing, all bids and asks will remain in the exchange. So I click OK. It explains you what to do and what it does if you want to cancel it and things like that. So the AI or the app placed some orders, and the first target is, as you can see in the red, is $6,151. At the moment, it's $6,289. So what it is doing is it's actually getting 4 different targets. So by 2%, 4%, 5%, and 8%, because we use auto deviation. And let's say it purchased some Bitcoin at $6,151. It's going to sell it at $6,384. So these are the target prices to sell. And at the bottom, it shows you the location, what it does, and if it reached the target, or if anything happened like that. And you can actually click here, and then you can cancel the coin alarm. I'm not going to cancel the alarm now. And you can click on here, and it shows you the Bitcoin upturn trend. And DAUG means daily average, MAUG means monthly average. And it shows you the ranks and 6 hours, 12 hours, and in 15 days it was on the rise. Okay, and if you click on here, it shows you all the changes. Okay, this is the upturn trend, and this is a change, and this is the order details I just placed. So shows you all the details. So I can just get out here, and then back to my market tab, and then if I click on the order one here, it shows me that I have one order. Here I can actually see the details. So I clicked on there, and it showed me the details. Isn't that nice? All right. Thanks for watching the video, and in the next one I'll show you how to place an auto order. All right, folks. So HeartNumber Section Order app, the AI, actually managed to make some profit for me, made some money for me. So you can see the results if you go to market here, like I'm on the market tab, and then you have BNB, BTC, ETH, USDT, favorites, etc. Here, favorites, and then you go to order. I made one order the other day, and it actually made some money for me, and I can see it here, and it is continuing to wait for good places to place orders. So this is the current trades it is waiting for buy orders, and this is the detail it actually made. So today is April the 2nd, right? So yesterday was April the 1st. So what happened was it actually started new trades today, and waiting for new $6,500 and $6,600 to purchase new Bitcoin. But let's take a look at what it did. Okay, these are the buys ongoing, and at the bottom here, you can actually there's a plus sign here at the bottom, right here on the right hand side, and you can click here and actually see more options. We are on the trade section, and you can actually see asset detail, and once it opens up, you can see what the machine did. So let's see. On March 30th, what it did was it bought some Bitcoin for $6,200, $6,252, and sold it for $6,314. You can see it on the top, and if you click here, you can see what it did. Now this third one at the bottom was an even earlier one I made in 25th. So It was an earlier trade I made in Binance before HeartNumber app. I can even see that because I connected to API. But these are the recent ones. So it purchased about $20 worth of Bitcoin for $6,200, and you can see here. And the app sold it for $6,300. So if I actually placed one Bitcoin, I would have made about $100 from one trade only. I placed about $20, but you can place whatever your heart desires, and you can actually increase the number of sell points. So if you say if you say 2, and if you place $20 as a minimum order, you're gonna be placing $40. So anyways, so these are showing all, and this is showing the buy orders and sell orders, and any deposits or any withdrawals. So taking a look at the all section is easier actually. So, and this shows you the price here, and this shows you the amount here, and this shows you the fee here, and it shows you the total. So I made some money here. So like I said, if I placed a better higher number, I would have made more money. So this was the asset detail, and you can actually see the prediction results of the AI made. And all right, and you can see the trade results by clicking here. So I made actually 19 cents from that trade I made, and so this is the same window as we've seen before, and you can see if you made any money. So we're back to the market and order one, and like I said, you just click on here and you see the trades, and you can see the details here. So it is, because I placed a section order, it is continuing to the whole thing, and you can see the chart here. So it's gonna purchase more Bitcoin when it's 6,500. At the moment it's 6,600, and then I think it purchased some, and it's gonna sell it at 6,500, and it's 3.8%. Okay, so here are the trades, here are the messages. It is predicting that it's going to rise to 6,689, and here are my order. If you want to place another order, here are the options again. All right, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.